Hello, code breakers of FGC Mina is a mapping of our presentation of the zonal competition that's going to come up on the 9th January. The mappings are the discovery, innovation, impact, inclusion, teamwork, fun as the core values that we're going to defend, and also the noteworthy observations, mentorship and learning beyond the competition. What have you learned now? You defend what you have learned beyond the competition itself. On the discovery, the defender is going to identify the problems, which is hologram display technology, and where did you get the ideas, and what are the specific problems you are trying to solve, which are there. Let me just increase it, which are here that you are going to defend. Your board design attachment problem. What are the problems with regard to the robot, the attachment, and the coding? Robot component that you have used, you identify them, you explain them. And coding types that you have used, you explain them. That is for discovery. And look at the ideas behind our innovation project, which is there. The diagram has explained everything. The next person is going to defend the innovation project, which is innovation project, the components that you use in organizing the innovation projects are there. You have the robot design, you defend the robot design, you talk about the attachment, and the further improvement. You have to let them know that see it. There are a lot of places that you wish as a team that you plan to modify for better performance are there. And look at the items that are there that you wish you come and modify. Our innovation projects are the hologram, the image is the robot programs, and the images are there. Then the third person is going to defend the impacts, which is here. In terms of advertisement, the impact, in terms of advertisement, in educations, examples in entertainment, and also some specific application of the coding that you use, which are here. That is for the impact. And the next is going to go according to the time, according to the mapping, inclusion. You move toward the inclusions. What we have here is you defend the inclusions and the lines given to you. We have lines that are beyond this inclusion, how everybody have been included during the preparations. And the next thing is teamwork. How do you explain your teamworks there, and the funds are there, which is the lastly. And you have to understand that in each core values here, you have to make sure that you give examples as much as possible. Examples are cited there. In inclusion, you give example in which the situation where everybody are included. You give example during robot design, during coding, during innovation project. You give example there. And also teamwork. Give an example of a situation where every ideas have been brought together and have been working on, so that you are working on an idea that each person has brought to the table. So we have the fun. So you talk about to what point if we are having fun. At the point where your innovation project is that, your coding is this, your robot design is that, and you have gotten the right attachment. This is what you're going to say. So we have the references here. If you can see, this is the last thing here. References are here. Creative SL 2022 November 2007. These are the title of the title of the authors that I have read, and this is the link. When you click, you are going to it will take you to the internet. Every link you click here will take you to exactly where. For instance, let me give you an example of I click on this and creative. It's going to take me to where you have gotten the idea in the YouTube. Look at it. So your idea comes from here. So I'm going back again. So again, the Perozo, Joan and Leon Mimian and the Maize, etc., etc. Those are the places that you are going to work on. Can Z 2021, look at Zencan. We have Lamasa Tech, we have Logo Robotics, Mr. Ino, Next Level Teacher, we have BBC News, Science Channels, Tech Layer, Tupac Kings. Those are places that we have gotten. Those are authors. And this one, immediately after the year and the month, are the titles. And these are links where you are going to get those, where you are going to search for these specific ideas. You can see some abbreviations here. The first name here in the title will be your surname, will be a surname like me, Yaya Mohamed Bala. Yaya is my surname. It's going to written Yaya MB, then this. So now, we'll go inside the document now, the body, inter-citation. There are inter-citation and you are going to see. As we are explaining, you quote according to what he said, according to Lego Robotics, Mr. Hino 2023. We've got an idea of hologram display technology, your innovation project, problems. You can see Lamasa Tech, no date. This ND means no date, meaning that because when we start this information, the date was not clearly written. We have searched all the pages. So what you want to put, since there is no date, you didn't say any year, you are going to put ND, mean no date. And you come back to, we keep explaining wherever there are inter-citation, the body, Next Level Teacher. You got this idea from this PID coding from Next Level Teacher. So now these are, we move again, wherever we see Tech Layer 2022, you are seeing semicolon here, if you can see, and you see Lamasa Tech, no date, means that this is a different person author, another different author, meaning you have combined the work of different people. That is why you are having semicolon here. You combine the work of different people here. ABC News 2004, look at it here. Tupac King 2014 is there. So you can see also from the images here that we have gotten here to help us explain the idea. Where do you get this idea? You see, Perozzo et al. 2016. The et al. That you see, they mean Perozzo and others. And those others are up to from 3 and above. When they are 2, we are going to write their name there. Perozzo and Bala 2016. But they are more than 2. That's why you see ETAA.comma 2016. We combine with idea of Science Channel 2017. Look at that. So this is the idea of 2 people here. The Science Channels are company, while these are group of authors. So you have to understand the ETAL. It means that when authors are more than 3, from 3 and above. When they are 2, we are going to write the names there because we are having some that are their names are 1, which are okay. From you can see Creative SL 2022. You can see here Khan 2021, Next Level Teacher 2023. If you see Khan there in the resources, there is Z, meaning it says Zen Khan. Khan is his surname, Zen is his own name. So now the second name will never appear. It is the surname that will always appear, or a company names, or organization, and that will always be appear in the body of the thesis you are talking about. Then now when you come to reference, that is when you put the surname, the real name there, which is Z there. So as you keep going on, this is how it is. So I believe this is going to be a place where we are going to like start up reading your lines. I believe if there's any question, you're going to send the question to the WhatsApp room.